Rip off the static adhesive tape and stick it on the glass. Tear off the adhesive tape of bracket and stick it onto the glass. Connect the main unit to the bracket. Tighten the bracket. Tear open one side of the adhesive tape and stick it onto the power cable. Then tear off the other side and stick it to the appropriate position on the car. First, screw the metal gasket into the tire air outlet. Then install the tire pressure sensor. After installation, use a wrench to tighten the gasket towards the direction close to the tire pressure sensor. Prevent loss of tire pressure sensor. After installation, the main unit will display the tire pressure data. Short press the up button to display the tire pressure interface. Short press the up button again to exit the tire pressure interface. Long press the up button to turn on, off the microphone. Short press the down button to start emergency recording. Short press the OK button to start pause recording. Short press the menu button to enter the main menu. Select the camera icon to return to the recording interface.